In VRED 2018, it is now possible to use HTML5 content as a texture. So instead of having just a static texture image, the HTML5 content allows us to add all interaction possibilities that are available with HTML5. This video will show two use cases of what HTML5 content can be used for, and how to work with this content within VRED. One use case can be the virtual simulation of a display panel with full functionality. In this example, I will attach an HTML file to the screen of the middle console here in the car. You can see the HTML content within an internet browser. In order to get that content into VRED, just open up the media editor under Scenes and create a new web engine by simply clicking on the plus symbol or within the context menu with the right mouse button. Then browse here for the HTML file. In the width and height area, the content size has to be defined. My example file is 1100 by 1700 pixel. After that, drag the material of the object to the material slot of the web engine. You can also decide which channel of the material to apply the content to. In my example, I'm using the diffuse and incandescence channel, which I'm increasing a bit in the material editor. Now you can fully interact with the HTML5 content within the VRED scene. Another example is to stream the VRED web app back into the VRED session again. The VRED web app, which can be used on a mobile device for controlling a scene on a presentation, can now be used with the VR session, for example. Here I just have applied the local address of the web app onto a simple plane where I'm switching material variants. Thank you very much for watching the video.